To put the world in order, we must first put the nation in order. To put the nation in order, we must first put the family in order. To put the family in order, we must first cultivate our personal life. We must first set our hearts right. Better a diamond with a flaw than a pebble without. When it is obvious that the goals cannot be reached, don't adjust the goals, adjust the action steps. Don't do unto others what you don't want done unto you. A lion chased me up a tree, and I greatly enjoyed the view from the top. In a country well governed, poverty is something to be ashamed of. In a country badly governed, wealth is something to be ashamed of. Education breeds confidence. Confidence breeds hope. Hope breeds peace. To see what is right and not do it is the worst cowardice. The beginning of wisdom is to call things by their proper name. The superior man thinks always of virtue. The common man thinks of comfort. Time flows away like the water in the river. When a wise man points at the moon, the imbecile examines the finger. It is easy to hate, and it is difficult to love. This is how the whole scheme of things works. All good things are difficult to achieve, and bad things are very easy to get. Learning without thought is labor lost. Thought without learning is perilous. Consideration for others is the basis of a good life, a good society. Have no friends not equal to yourself. The man who says he can, and the man who says he cannot are both correct. Never give a sword to a man who can't dance. The superior man is modest in his speech, but exceeds in his actions. He who conquers himself is the mightiest warrior. The noble-minded are calm and steady. Little people are forever fussing and fretting. The nobler sort of man emphasizes the good qualities in others and does not accentuate the bad. The inferior does. Roads were made for journeys, not destinations. Worry not that no one knows you. Seek to be worth knowing. A common man marvels at uncommon things. A wise man marvels at the commonplace. If I am walking with two other men, each of them will serve as my teacher. I will pick out the good points of the one and imitate them, and the bad points of the other, and correct them in myself. Choose a job you love, and you will never have to work a day in your life. It is easy to hate, and it is difficult to love. This is how the whole scheme of things works. All good things are difficult to achieve, and bad things are very easy to get.